Hi, my name is Meredith, and I'm a PhD candidate in the Animal Behavior Graduate Group at the University of California, Davis. My research lies at the intersection of animal behavior and conservation, and I'm excited to share some of it with you today. One of my main projects looks at how two species of lemurs change their behavior across the year. Lemurs only live in Madagascar, the fourth largest island in the world. Madagascar is known for its extreme climatic shifts, which occur throughout the year and also across the island. For example, western Madagascar is dominated by dry, spiny forests. However, eastern Madagascar has lush rainforests. Today's story focuses on these eastern rainforests and the Maramiza protected area. Maramiza is a small community-managed protected area in eastern Madagascar, and it serves as an important connecting forest between larger patches within the fragmented forest corridor. There are a total of 13 lemur species that live there, including the critically endangered diadem sheafok. Diadem sheafok live in cohesive groups that average about 6 to 11 animals each. They change their diet throughout the year from leaves to fruit when fruit becomes abundant because it's their preferred food. In contrast, common brown lemurs consume primarily fruit throughout the entire year. They live in less cohesive groups that have to travel far distances daily in order to find this fruit when it's relatively rare in their environment. In comparing these species, we aim to understand what drives their seasonal changes in social behavior. We focused on social behavior specifically because it's critical for the survival and reproduction in an animal's life for social species like ourselves and the lemurs. We had 3 seasonally changing ecological variables, including the local climate, changes in their diets, and different phases of their reproductive cycle, as lemurs are seasonal breeders. We found that all 3 of these factors, particularly climate and diet, were influential in determining the structure of lemur social networks. Here you can see the social networks of a representative group of each species every month. The first 3 networks occur during the dry season, and the last 3 networks represent the rainy season. Within these climatic seasons, networks for particular species generally look similar to each other. However, there are smaller changes that happen each month, and these changes are generally explained by dietary changes in time for both species. These results highlight how understanding the flexibility in behavior and what is driving it is key for understanding the ability of these species to live in a human-dominated world. While there are some primate species that are less threatened with extinction and others that are more, such as the lemurs that I studied in this study, we are still understanding the factors that predispose one species to be in one category or the other. Behavior may be one of these mediating factors, and one that I aim to understand further in this and other projects within my dissertation. I'd like to thank ARCS for their generous support of this project, as well as my amazing team of Malagasy colleagues for their help in collecting the data.